Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with a No Bake Carrot Cheesecake recipe. It's a very delicious dessert and it's very easy to make. Let us see how to make this. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. Please don't forget to press the like button and leave your comments and feedback. For the cheesecake, here I have taken 160 grams of arrowroot biscuits, around 20 biscuits. Let us crush it like this using a rolling pin or a food processor and transfer it into a bowl. And into this we'll add 80 grams of melted butter. Mix it well. And we'll transfer this into an 8-inch springform pan. I've lined it with butter paper for easy removal of the cheesecake after it's set. It is optional. Press it well into the bottom of the pan and we'll keep it in the fridge for around 30 minutes till it is set. Here I have taken 200 grams of white chocolate which has to be melted in a microwave or on a water bath. And here 200 grams of whipping cream. I have used Amul whipping cream. And into that we'll add 150 grams of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Beat the cream well for around 4 to 5 minutes till it becomes nice and fluffy and reaches soft peak consistency. Now it has reached nice soft peaks. Here I have taken 300 grams of hung curd. Into this a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of vanilla essence and zest of 1 lemon, and then beat it well till it becomes soft. The hung curd is made by passing thick curd through a muslin cloth and removing the excess water. Into this we'll add the melted white chocolate. In this recipe we are not using gelatin, so here it is the white chocolate that makes the cream cheese filling firm. Beat it well. Once it is mixed well, we'll add the carrot puree. Here it is 250 grams boiled carrots. I have pureed and kept. Around 3 medium-sized carrots. Without the water, we have to put the cooked carrot in a blender and puree it. I've kept aside about 2 tablespoons of the carrot puree to make a glaze. So mix in this carrot puree into the cream cheese mixture well, and then I will fold in the whipped cream. I have another cheesecake recipe in the channel which uses eggs and gelatin. If you are interested, you can check it out. It's a mango cheesecake recipe. In this recipe, in case you don't want to use carrot, you can use any other fruits of your choice like strawberry or mangoes, anything you can use. A no bake chocolate cheesecake recipe is also there in the channel. Mix it well. Now the cream cheese mixture is ready. We'll transfer it into the prepared tin and level the surface. Then we'll make the carrot glaze. For that, into the carrot puree we'll add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of sugar and cook it well. Cook it on slow fire. This should be the consistency of the carrot glaze. A full layer of carrot glaze can be applied on top, but here today I'm just pouring drops of the glaze on top and running a chopstick or a toothpick through it to make a design on the cheesecake. Now we'll keep this in the fridge for 8 hours for setting. Now the cheesecake is set. It's so easy to make it. Please do try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.